Hello, welcome to part 2 of my table saw build. This part's basically just going through what I've done for the fence. I'm not 100% happy with it. It does stick occasionally. It's not going to do it now. My opinion, these contract saws are never going to be brilliant. I'd like to think one day that I can afford a cast iron tabletop. But for the time being, so I can get this workshop, rest of this workshop finished, it'll do me. So I hope you enjoy. I started by cutting some used 3/4 ply down. I then cut some centre sections for the middle of the fence on my chop saw. With the plywood being used, it had got paint on it. I had to sand all this off so the glue would stick. For the centre pieces of the fence, I had to drill a hole in the centre for the steel bar to go through. I glued and screwed all the centre pieces to the bottom section of the fence. I ended up using 5 pieces in the end. I didn't have any long enough threaded bar, so I used 2 short pieces and welded them to the end of some hexagon bar that I got in the scrap pile. Originally, I started with these little face plates, but that meant there was a lot of movement. So I've changed the front and put these extra extensions on to take up that slack. I've just got to do the back. I had to cut one side out of some 3/4 box section so I could weld the nut on the other side. Right, this is if I've left it all open so I could show you what's going off. Basically you turn that, which
Makes it all rigid. It's got a clamp on the back. Undo that. That's the clamp at the back. That just clips onto there. You can easily take it off. I put a drawer in the front to collect hot sawdust. So the only thing left to do now is put the top on here. Bit of a sand, bit of a tidy up and some paint.